Darkness tries to reign, and everything I love seems to die. But soon this will change, all trial will end, when my faith shall cease, and I see with my eyes. Oh, the night is darkest, right before the morning light. Sickness to death, God sees back the breath, and to me for its life. I shall not be ashamed, for on that day is the light. Oh, the night is darkest, right before the morning light. For on that great and dreadful day, the King will bring change from the sky. When glory has come and all is won, then life and love will never die. And the water as a lamb to the slaughter, in the balance was all mankind. As the death knell rang, the angels sang the perfect sacrifice of love gave life to many. Oh, the night was darkest, right before the morning light.